Hey everyone, welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're talking about how to analyze risks in AI. Sounds complex? Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and clear. So, what is risk analysis? It's the process of finding out what could go wrong when developing or using AI and figuring out how serious it is. Let's break it down into 7 key steps. Number 1, define the scope and objectives. What AI system are we looking at? What's it meant to do? This helps us set clear goals for the analysis. Number 2, identify assets and processes. What's valuable here? Data, code, algorithms, and user information, all the things AI depends on. Number 3, identify threats and vulnerabilities. What could harm the system? Examples: biased data, weak security, or someone misusing the AI. Number 4, assess impact and likelihood. If something goes wrong, how bad would it be? And how likely is it to happen? This helps us measure the real level of risk. Number 5, priorities risks. Not all risks are equal. We focus on the biggest, most urgent ones first. Number 6, plan mitigation strategies. How can we reduce or remove these risks? Maybe add human checks, improve data quality, or boost security. Number 7, monitor and review. Risks change over time, so we need to keep checking and updating our plan. That's how we use risk analysis to keep AI systems safe, fair, and reliable. Want to learn more? Head to ctglobal.my. Stay sharp and stay ahead with smart AI.